Okay, I think I found out what's wrong with the Mega server. We're on 107, 173, 219, 12. And what I'm looking at here is articles that you did on 9/28/21. And then when I go down through here and go to the bottom, we see that we're at 8/31/20. So that is over a year's worth of articles. And this has to be what the problem is. So what we have to do to fix this, I'm going to tell you what to do to fix it, and then I'm going to tell you what to do in order to avoid this again. So first, let's start with what it's going to take to fix it. As you can see, I've been testing how many articles that we can actually zip up into a zip folder. And I started them by 1 day, or started them here by 1 day, doing 1 day's worth of articles. And then I did 1 day's worth of articles again, and that worked really well. And then I tried to go from 9/26/21 to 8/1/21. That would have been a month and 3 weeks, so a total of 7 weeks, and that didn't work. So I went to 5 days. So you can see we're going from the 5th of September to the 1st of September. So that's 5 days worth. And then I ran 5 days worth here. It ran 20 days worth. So it ran 20 days worth from 9/26 down to 9/06. And so that's, let's see, we've got these by date modified. So this was the last one. I ran 5 days. We're going to take a look at this one. We're going to copy it and make sure it looks okay. So this is a total of 20 days. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to bring that over here. I've been moving them. This is on my computer, my local computer. So I'm going to paste that, and we'll watch it. This file already is here. So I've already moved that one. All right, so let's grab this one. We'll copy this one and move it over to here. So this is the 5-day folder, and you can see how long it takes that, and it's not very long at all. Now what I tried to do was move the entire folder, and it made Windows crash. Windows will not zip up all of these. Okay, and then we installed WinZip, and it would not compress all of these into a single folder. It made it crash. So we know we have 20 days right here. So let's try 20 days again. So we're at 9/1. So let's go to 9/1. Let's see here. So we're at 9/1. So we're going to start at 8:30 or 8:31. At 8:30. All right. And we're going to take 20 days. So that'll be down to 8:10. So we'll go down to 8:10. Now I've got the server working pretty well. I've rebooted from the back side. I've uninstalled Avast, which I think the server people did. And it's working pretty well right now. Now I haven't run the software on it. It's probably not going to run good with the software until we get all these articles off. If you remember We did this before on a previous machine because we were having trouble. All right, so we're going to go down to 811. So we were at 820. We'll just go to 811. So this is 820 to 811. And let's see if we can get it to compress 20 days worth. And it looks like it just crashed. So let's go back up here. Yep, and it crashed. So we're going to go 10 days. Well, that was actually more than 10 days. That was 20 days. Yeah. So we're going to go 10 days. We're going to start at 8:30. All right, here we go. We're going to start at 8:30 and go to 8:20. Go ahead and grab 8:20. So there's 8:19, 8:20. So we will highlight all of those in between and we'll send that to compressed zip folder. Okay, doesn't look like that's going to work either, and it doesn't. So let's go for 5 days. So we'll go 8:30 to 8:25. We'll go 8:25. That'll actually be 6 days. So there's the beginning of 8:25. So we'll highlight those and we'll send them to compress folder. Okay, that's not going to work either. We can clearly see that it did before. That was actually 9.1, so we got 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5. All right, let's go 8:30 to 8:28. There is no 8:28, so we'll go to 8:29. That's 2 days worth. And now it's not working at all. Okay, so it's not working at all. We're going to pull out CCleaner. Clean this up. So we got it to run now. I'll pause you and be back. Okay, we're just about finished here. This is about 10 seconds. Okay, so we ran CCleaner. All right, let's grab. We're going for 830. Let's just grab 830. See if we can get that one to work. A lot of content here. So we'll grab that 1 day, send that to a compressed zip folder. There we go. Now it works. So we'll go back up here. And we'll rename this 8.30.21. All right, let's go back and try to get 829 and 828. Or should we get 5? Let's see if we can get 5. So 829. There's 27. There's 829. There's 830. All right, so 829. And we'll grab 828. There is no 828, so we'll go to 827. So 827, so this is 2 days. Okay, looks like that's not going to work. So I am going to log in. We know we've cleaned it. So I'm going to go here, log in, and reboot. Reboot. I'm going to pause you. Be right. Okay, so the server's rebooted. And now that should have kicked us out of the RDP. Connection's been lost. I'm going to cancel that. And it did kick us out. So we're going to give it a minute and we'll log back in and see what we can do. Okay, so we rebooted the server and we can't reconnect to it. It's taken a long time for us to reconnect to it. So what I've done is booted it. And so as you can see here, we're booting the virtual server. So we'll do that and we should be able to log in. Okay, so we're booted up. Now it may take it just a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. Okay, I'm going to pause you until we can get in. Okay, so we're back in now. And we'll just log in here. And I'm not sure if this is going to be the best course of action or not, but this is what we're going to have to do until I find a different way. We've got to get all of this content off of this machine. So, give this thing a chance to fire up. Alright, so let me see. I'm not sure where. Okay, here we go. So I've got the Mega Cloud Stacker Factory folder in this folder that says Move Mega, because I was getting ready to move it. And here you can see give it a chance to load up. Okay, date modified. Alright, and here are our zip files. Okay, so we have 830, so let's go to 829. Let's see what we can do here. So we've got 829, and let's move down to 825. So 29, 28, 27, 26, and 25 will give us 5 days. So we'll just get down to the bottom of 25. Alright, here's the bottom of 25. Hit the shift key and highlight all those, and we'll send it to the compressed folder, and it's compressing, and it looks like it did. Let's see if it did. Okay, it did not. So and look, see this? This is the last time we took articles out. It was on 10/6/2020. So that was almost a year ago. So let's go to 29. And let's get 2 days. Let's get 29 and 28. There's no 28, so we'll get 27. Alright, there is the last one on 27. We'll send those to a compressed file. It did not work. Alright, let's grab this one, copy it, and bring it over here. Alright, so we got that one. So let's extract here and make sure that we have these, and if we do, we can delete them. So we'll extract all. Okay, so that's 5,300 items. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is my computer. So you can see this is on my computer. So this is 926 to 96. So if we, and now it says 10.3 now because I've moved them to my computer. But if we grab all of these, and we'll see if we can put these into, see if that will grab the names and put them into Notepad so we can count how many there are. And it's not going to. So, but we do have them. I mean, there's a lot of them. So what we want to do now is we want to upload. I'm going to get rid of this and keep my zip folder. All right. So we know that it's moving them properly. So we're going to upload these to G Drive. So I'm going to go to my drive and Mega Cloud Stacker. Let's find the Mega Cloud Stacker. Move Mega. So I'm going to open that, and I'll rename this in a minute. Let's just rename it now. Move Mega. This is going to be rename. We're going to rename this to Mega Articles Database for that is 10.3 10.3 21.2. Let's see where we are here. All the way back to 8/31/2020. Okay, and we're gonna download these and as quickly as we can and upload them to here. Now I'm going to give you this link, so let me share it, make sure you have access. All right, this is me. I'm going to add you. Timmy. And hello, what is your there we go. So just going to send this to you here. There we go. Okay, this is the Mega Article Database. Now, there's a reason why we're keeping all of these articles, and I'll get into that later. But I'm going to send that to you right now. And I'm just going to go in here, and we're going to, on this, drop files in here, file upload, and we'll go to documents, and we save that where? That is in let's go up one. Documents, move out of you lose mega. So we'll go documents. Well, there we go. Articles with data stack order. Let me see which one this is. Okay, so it's mega with articles data stack order, HTML, and I'm just going to choose all of these and let them upload. So it's going to take a while to do this, but this is the process we're going to use. I may have another solution that'll be faster than this, but it's going to take me some time to work on it. So if you will work on this while I'm working on a faster solution, I would greatly appreciate your help. Thanks.